Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Montenegro. So you can see it has a border on the outside. So it's of rectangular shape. Now let's put the borders with the sign pen. So one, two, all right. It's a little thick outlines of the yellow. Also on this side. And in this side too. Okay. For the red symbols and the colors inside, let's put a border outline with the red pen. Okay. All right. And you can see the symbol of special characteristics. And I'm going to draw it now. Right? It's not the regular presentations, but it's the closest symbol I'm trying to portray right now. All right. So which is a flag, and the wings you can see the both sides. Okay, and the wings comes like this up to this place. Okay, and you can see the tails here looks like this, and two hands symbol like holding something, one here and one on the other side. And another hand has a long stick. All right, usually the color is filled up with a bright color so that you can see the shapes. Instead this is inside the red, but the shape is clear. Okay, let's fill up with a bright marker. Sometimes it's called page highlighter. So all the special symbols has lots of stories, and you're going to see that stories in each of the flags history and cultural background. Okay, and putting other colors here. Okay, and sky blue here. Okay, and the whole surface area is going to be the red color, so let's put the red color right now. All right, so you can see the flags. All right, so filling up the whole colors. The whole surface area is going to be the red color, solid uniform red color. All right. So you can see the drawing is done, and it's the flag of Montenegro, the presentations. All right, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.